Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Apple AirTag sharing. So if you're sharing your Apple AirTag with someone else to track something, this is what you can do to turn it off. So let's get started. So I have a AirTag that I'm sharing with my best friend and I want to remove it. So how do I do that? Well, in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I turn it off. To do that, first thing is you're going to find My App, which is a default app on your iPhone, and go ahead and open it up. Once you open up, you're going to be in one of these navigations here. So you're going to want to go to the items one right here. Now, once in your items, it's going to list basically all of the items that you're tracking with the different AirTags. Find the one that you're sharing with that you want to turn off. So you're going to click each one individually. So I'll go ahead and click on this. Once you click on it, another menu like this will pop up. But if you look right here, it's going to say a section basically if you're sharing this AirTag with one or maybe more people. Now, in order to turn off that sharing for one or more people, you have to click on each individual person that's listed, right, like this one, and click on remove. And then you want to click on stop sharing, or basically turning off sharing. And once you do that, it will remove them. And if you have multiple people, you'll have to do it for individual person until you see this section just be like where it says share this AirTag and no one is listed here. And that essentially turns off the sharing to only you being able to track or this AirTag. So that's how you turn off AirTag sharing on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone accessories and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.